Hey real estate besties, and welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know what you can get under $2 million in Fort Lauderdale? Come take a look with me and let's find out. This property was developed by two of the hottest developers in South Florida, brothers Amit and Roy. This exquisite luxury townhouse features stainless steel kitchen appliances by BOSCH, custom-made panel cabinetries, and porcelain tile throughout the home. The backyard features private pool, a summer kitchen with wood panel ceilings and recessed lighting throughout. Upstairs features 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, with a spacious balcony in the primary suite and walk-in closets in every room. What else can you ask for when you're living in luxury? This townhouse is also fully equipped with surround sound speakers throughout the main areas, including the primary suite. If you're thinking about making the South Florida move, make sure you contact me today and don't forget to subscribe.